Hi, I got this kit from Makartt so I could do my birthday nails. It comes with a leaflet with information. I just thought it'd be easier to show you. And it comes with a top coat and a base coat. I think it comes with 50 forms, I think it is. A file. It's 180 grit, so perfect for filing down bulk. This lovely brush is so soft and easy to work with. And there's pink, a yellow, a purple, a green, a blue and orange. And I've already made swatch sticks to go with them. And here they are after the swatches. I think the colours are super pretty, especially like the blue, and I really like the pink and the purple because pink is my favourite colour and I'm absolutely obsessed. These colours are so pretty, and the filter keeps flashing on the screen as well. But Makartt, these poly gels, I guess they are, they're super soft to work with as well. I don't have the slip solution that goes with them, but I used one that I already had and it works perfectly. But yeah, I really like this set and I'll definitely be getting more. Bye!